Hello everyone, I'd like to thank you all the leaders of the entire world. You and your colleagues are working very hard to protect for our life and how to stop the coronavirus. Also, I'd like to thank you the doctors and nurses, food truck drivers, and the media who give the information every moment. All the workers, you working for us, you working for me. Therefore, I'd like to thank you bottom of my heart. Also, please make sure you get the protection, you get a rest. Your safety is most important. Your safety is my safety. If you sick, who can serve? Right now, 7 billion human beings depends for you. Therefore, you are the most important person right now. We feel, we understand that. All the human beings, 7 billion human beings, we are social animal. We are same view, same direction, same feeling. We do need something right now. What do we do? We need to protect our life. We need to protect the country. Therefore, how can we do? Protect yourself, the first key. If possible, if not necessary, please don't go out. Stay your home. This is the first key save. If you do that, we save our life, we save our family, friends, neighbors, city and state and country. Please be patient. Don't be exciting at your home. Do something, thinking more. Therefore, all the 7 billion people's life depends each a person. Therefore, we need to think more. Therefore, we need to work with them. Therefore, right now, the doctors, nurses, or the workers, I'm sure you are very tired. You are exhausted. Please close your eyes. Very deep breath. Feel yourself. Scan your body. Scan your mind. Aware yourself. We feel you. You're the most beautiful person. You're the most kindest person. You're the first person to try to save our life. We feel that. We think you. We love you. Also that the person who already have the symptoms. We pray for you. We thinking about you. It's not just you right now. All the sentient beings, all 7 billion human beings is thinking about you. We all with you. Therefore, remember you are doing a good job. You did good things. Then maybe your mind become more healthy and relaxed. Also, I do like a short prayer. Om Tare Tu Tare Tere Suha. Om Tare Tu Tare Tere Suha. Om Tare Tu Tare Tere Suha. Be take care yourself. We love all you. We love each other. We think each other. We need each other. We want each other's actions. Thank you.